2, 3. Yay!
Oh, this is so exciting. I can't tell you how many months, years I've waited for this moment. This will show an awful lot of Bainbridge Islanders who didn't know it, what a beautiful park and, urban woods that we have right near downtown.
One question has been asked is, why is it so short? Why is the paved part so short? And then it just goes to gravel trail that's narrower. And the reason really is this part of trail was funded by the Viscountcy development, the Wintergreen development. And that is all the funding we had for now. The plans are to continue it further, pave it further, and just working our way all the way north to the Agate Pass Bridge. So this is just the preview of more things to come. So the Kitsap and Olympic Trail is what they call a shared use path or a multi-use path, and it's wider than our typical paths, and they're paved, and the width is really a function of having it two-directional, so people can use the path and pass each other safely. It's designed for a certain speed on a bicycle. And the main thing about the surfacing is it allows a wider range of users.
One of the things is you saw Marcia cutting here using her motorized wheelchair. So to see Marcia be able to be in nature here, is one of those markers for me. We're doing the right thing, people being out in nature.
Really, I feel like we're just building on a legacy of work that's been done by the community over the years. So it's really great to see these things come to fruition, see people out here using them. It's going to make for a better quality of life for all Islanders.